Hello everyone, I am Sheikh Afifa Sultana from 9th standard studying in Saibaba High School. Today I am excited to share something amazing with you, our Python programming course. At Saibaba High School, Python has been part of our curriculum for the last few years, helping students like me to develop important coding skills. Our classes are not just about theory. We get to write real code, solve problems and even participate in fun coding challenges. We have highly trained teachers. We make coding easy and exciting, guiding us step by step in every lesson. Well, what is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language. In the recent year, Python has consistently ranked amongst the top 3 programming languages in the world. Its popularity has only continued to grow and it is now widely used in industries from finance, technology, education and even research.
Hello everyone, I am Himani from 9th class Saibaba High School. Now we will discuss the history of Python. Want to know about the origin of Python? Well, it all started back in the late 1999 when Judo van Rossum, a Dutch programmer, was working at a company called CWI, a research institute of mathematics and computer science located in Amsterdam. Judo was sick and tired of using boring old programming languages, so he decided to create his own, and thus Python was born. Python was publicly released on February 20, 1991. Now, we might be wondering why did he name it Python? Did he have any fascination with snakes? Well, the truth is, Judo was a big fan of Monty Python's Flying Circus, a British comedy show from the 1970s. Now, so in a nod to his favorite TV show, he named his new language as Python. Since his creation, Python has grown and evolved, becoming the most popular programming language in the world.
Hello everyone, myself S. Ayum from class 9th in Saibaba English Medium High School. Now we will discuss about what makes Python so special. Well, Python is a simple syntax, relatively small and has a vast number of libraries and frameworks. Python is a cross-platform compatible, meaning you can run it on various operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Linux and other operating systems. We have been saying Python is simple, but can we compare it with other programming language? So here one example where we are comparing Python with Java code to accomplish the same task. Let's say we were to write the simplest of all programs, the first ever program that we would have written, that's known as Hello World. You just have to print this. Now on the right you have a Python code and left what you see is the same task being performed in the Java. You can see Python is more concise and easier to read. It requires less code to accomplish the same task. Java on the other hand requires more code and has a steeper learning curve.
Hello everyone, it's pleasure to introduce myself to you. My name is Manvitha, studying 8th standard Allied section in Saibaba High School. Today I would like to tell about top companies using Python. Let's find out which are the top companies that use Python. Number 1 would be Google. Google makes extensive use of Python in its web search systems and in many other areas such as Google Cloud Platform. Number 2, NASA. NASA uses Python in variety of projects including their scientific and research endeavors. Number 3, Amazon. Amazon uses Python in variety of tasks such as developing their e-commerce platform, Amazon Web Services and in their data analysis, data visualization efforts. Number 4, Meta. Meta uses Python in several areas including in their data analysis, data visualization and server management. Number 5, Quora. Quora uses Python in several tasks including their data analysis, machine learning and server management. Preparing for the future. Python is a must-have skill in today's world. If you are looking for a career in Python programming and you have specific areas in mind like say web development or data science or artificial intelligence, the future as of now seems really bright. Well, if you want to explore the world of programming and technology, Saibaba School is the best place to start. Enroll now and be part of our future ready generation. Closing scene. Students smiling and waving. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more updates, see you soon.